Behind every product we use, from the water we drink to the medicines we take, there's a story of precision, effort, and human ingenuity. Manufacturing is the backbone of our modern world. It powers economies, feeds families, and builds the foundation for innovation and prosperity. But in too many factories, potential is lost. Downtime, inefficiencies, and underutilized talent are silent barriers to progress. At Inventio, we help manufacturing teams turn data into action. We align people, processes, and technology to transform opportunities into real, sustainable value. Because every gain in productivity fuels progress, not just for companies, but for communities. More uptime means greater economic impact, less stress, less waste, and more sustainable industry. We believe in industrialization, not as a threat, but as a path to a better future, one where people and technology thrive together. Inventio, the productivity engine for the manufacturing industry. Let's build prosperity, one line at a time.